We just got pulled over by the police. Second time in 2 days.
Got the vehicle in August up to date. I've just been stopped 3 times. Yeah, what kind of a favor? Those are police officers. They've given you that favor. They know the impact the change that you've brought into the community.
So when we come back, I'm gonna give them a case of water and how about some snacks? Would that be okay? Would they appreciate that?
No ticket today.
Oh my, so much.
Today we woke up and we all had breakfast, and we were about out of gas, so we come down here to this gas station. So this is their gas station, and there's always a attendant at the gas pump, and they won't let you pump your own gas, so you have to tell them how much you want. But today we got the 5 water wells dug. We hit water at all sites, and then today we're going to the farm to help finish hanging in the gate. I think some are going to walk back to the villages, or ride back to the villages and give out some soccer balls and stuff. So kind of a slow day, and then tomorrow we'll pack up and head back home, or head back to Lusaka and get ready to fly out.
Oh, yes.
Is it okay?
Yes. 24 plus. So
kwa kushiro vachita kumasevera ya bhola.
So so we have seen that our colleagues here at Shiloh, they have a football team.
Naise macheche mwathu wanyamata na wasikana tili nawo koma mabhola amene ndiye tilibe kuti pangayambe masevera.
Even us in our churches where we are coming from, the churches where you have done the balls, they have football teams as well. They do not have those soccer balls.
Douglas, could you introduce each one of these so I'll have their names?
This is Roy Soko. He's one of the leaders here at Shiloh, where Pastor Kenny is. And this is the Pastor Member, one of the pastors at Chipemalesa Bible Baptist Church, where we did the third well. And this is Thomas, who is leading the Church of Calvary Baptist, the third borehole, the fourth borehole we did. And this is Tembo. He also is the leader, is leading the church at Chinyunyo Bible Baptist, the fifth borehole that we did. So this is almost like the top grass or the executive leaders that we have here that are overseeing the churches. Each church is independent, however, but for sake of other activities that are connected to these different churches, they come together, sit and plan and see that everything goes well. Like, for example, we have the Resurrection Conference. They come together, plan. Are the churches going to do the Resurrection Conference individually, or we are going to do it together. When the church members and the church leaders, they agree that we are going to do it together, then they begin to plan together as leaders, and then to see that those activities
Here you go, Douglas.
Somebody want to get a capture?
yeah.
Kate, can you get a capture?
Whoa.
And Kurt come up here after we got some coffee, and they popped us some popcorn. They got it right off the cob, and the ladies went and cooked it. And they're burning the cobs right now, so.
Where did he go? He right there.
Right here.
Yeah, see? Here he
These are not poisonous.
It's
is.
not.
What?
It's not poisonous.
That thing could crawl right under the bed. There's a snake right here. Yeah.
You're pretty fast when you want to be there.
He said, hey.
I thought he wasn't poisonous.
He said, hey. Look at it. He caught it.
You did it?
Yeah. You take up there, throw it on the fire up there in front of Pastor Kenny.
Save it to show
Say,
the
what is it?
Yeah.
I'm just about to take a picture with him to Google it. Google will probably tell us Black Mamba.
Yeah, take a picture.
I'm gonna take a picture of this too.
I would like to say thank you to our AGI for supporting us. This should not be the end, but the beginning. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You feel good?
Want to say thank you to the American team for coming down to Zambia, and thank you to everybody. God bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
To thank AGI for everything. Little as it may seem to be, it has gone a long way in helping us. We have started the development of a farm. It is part of the community development here. It's helping Christians everywhere. But we as individuals are benefiting very much from this arrangement. I personally am a beneficiary because I've got a job here. I've done something that will stand the test of time. Even when people come, I'll be looking at the gate and say, this is what I've done. For these people, I thank them. Thank you very much. I cannot thank them enough for everything they've done to us. Myself and everyone that is working with us in our team, we want to say thank you. We are very humble to work with you people. Let's keep up with this good work of helping people wherever you are. We are not the only ones, there are still other people that stand to benefit from your kindness. So thank you very much.
Kwambiri panchito anotapedza panitafamu yani zvatengo pinza kupitiriza kutitandizira kuti tiri vambiri anotachita benefit pari program yava AGI so tingopinza chada kuti mutitiriza kutitandizira kuti tiende pasvito zvikoma.
pia nitazitumia nitatumia kwa sababu benefit za kutumia. So kama situmia kwa hivyo mimi hapa sijui kutumia ziko. Thank you very much for the people from America who are here to come and do the borehole here in Zambia. We are so thankful. May God bless the American bless Zambia. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, hey, I want to thank all of you. I really hope you guys have enjoyed seeing what we got going on here in Zambia, Africa. Just continue to pray for all of us. Pray for the people here in the Makakadula village. Pray for Anon Farm. And just continue to pray for Archangel Group International and all our precious people working with us. Thank y'all so much.
So we made it back to the house from Rufunza. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this video. And so today's kind of gonna be a relaxed day. We're gonna go out to eat, get all of our luggage packed up, and do some last minute shopping, and then get ready to travel home tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here and maybe show y'all some pictures and clips and things throughout the rest of the day. All right, go ahead.
Just want to say thank you to everybody that gave, for everybody that's prayed for all that you've done for helping us out. Thank you to Douglas and all the people that have hosted us. It's been an excellent trip. Couldn't have asked for more. Just can't wait for the next time. Thank you all again.
Okay, go.
Pastor Alex Chipi, missionary to Lusaka, Zambia. I just want to say thank you for you guys coming here into Zambia. You are such a huge blessing, and we have impacted so many lives. Our prayer is that you guys will continue coming here, and may the good Lord continue to use you in his own special way. God bless you, and I'm glad to meet you all, you guys. In the name of Jesus Christ.
I'd just like to thank you for all of the donations that made this trip possible. It was an awesome, awesome trip. Until you come here and see this for yourself, you just have no idea. I loved it. I love the people, and I love what is happening here, what this group is doing. It's a wonderful thing for the ones that live in the bush. Thanks again.
I just want to say thank you to all our donors with AGI. You helped us put in 5 wells in Zambia, which will help so many people. Watching those people push barrels and carry buckets so long for water, and now it's going to be so close for them. It's life-changing. I just want to say thank you and wish you all could come and experience what we did. Thank you again. Let's not do this now.
Look, you recording?
Yeah.
So what we've got here to offer, so he is in there asking people, is this restaurant any good? So we're trying to get a poll to decide if we're gonna eat in there. So currently right now, we're at the Tambo International Airport.
It did.
It's slowing down.
I thought he was awesome. You hush. Now we have two.
Zoom in far enough.
People
who will be on the same flight as us going back.
And he's in there dipping.
Louisiana people said it's good.
Daryl, what's happened to you?
You don't do this.
I don't do what?
You don't go up to strangers in a restaurant and go, hey,
I'm in South Africa. What do I know? So.
5, 6, 7. And they're the middle side. So they
It's time to go sit down. Leave these folks alone.
But they do that. So they live in Honduras. I don't know.